this video I'll show you how you can fix GTA 5 Enhanced not launching. So the first step is to go on your PC and type settings. Then you're gonna click on Windows Update and you're gonna make sure that your PC is up to date. Like you can see, I currently have an update that I can install. Now the next step is to go to your launcher where you install GTA 5. In my case it's through the Reinstall Launcher. What you're gonna do is go to settings, click on GTA 5, scroll down and click on verify integrity of game files. Now another method would be to close the launcher, go to the search and type control panel, click on uninstall a program, go to the search and type Rockstar and click on Rockstar Games Launcher. And make sure to not select this one. You can select this one if you want, but don't remove this one. And then click on continue. Now the next step is to delete the remaining files. So we're going to documents, we're going to Rockstar Games, and we're going to delete the social club and the launcher. So you can select both and click on delete. Then we're going to our local disk, go to program files, you'll find Rockstar Games again, and we're going to do the same here. After that we're going to program files 86, find Rockstar Games and do the same here. Then go to Google and type Rockstar Launcher, click this link right here and click on this button right here. And then click on download for Windows.